And we start in 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome, you big bloody beautiful legend. I missed you. I missed you a lot. It's been a very very long time. Like 48 hours. तेरे बगैर मैं कैसे जीऊँगा? मैं कैसे how? Tell me how? No man, but for real, it's been real, man. It's been real since the past 2 days. I've not done much because Wednesdays I don't have any classes. Bro, my college schedule is weird, man. Like some days I have 8 hours of classes. Not 8 hours. Bro, it's a 9 to 5 fucking 9 to 6 job, bro. 8:30 to 6:30 there are classes. Bro, 6:30 तक तो मेरा बाप भी काम नहीं करता है, bro. मतलब, yeah, by the way, dude, my dad just bought a Royal Enfield. What's up with my family, bro? Tomorrow my brother's gonna Goa. Leaving in the morning. He booked his tickets just today. Like his friend is already there, so he's like, fuck it, I'm gonna go. Equity बिक्विटी कहाँ करना है मेरे को? जाने दे, तेल लेने गया. And then my dad just like came back home and from the house, my dad bought a Royal Enfield. From the house, all four of us are at home. He sends a picture of the bike on the WhatsApp family WhatsApp group, like the four of us. And then the best part is we all go like, what? When did you buy this, that, and whatever? And he's like, yeah, I had planned it. And we knew about the plan, but we didn't know he's buying it like today. And my mom, my mom sends a thumbs up. Like, we are sitting, like literally four of us are sitting in the hall. My dad sends a picture like 20 minutes back. We all are sitting in the hall discussing what the hell happened. And my mom sends a thumbs up, like in that room. And I really realize where my stupidity comes from. It's from the fact that they wanted to do comedy. समझ रहे हो? वो दोनों को कॉमेडी करना था तो मेरे को बनाया. मेरा भाई तो भी ठीक है यार, हो जाता है उसका. Sorry man, somebody told me like you clear your throat a lot and like that's really annoying. Too bad, deal with it. That's life. Tough luck, bro. But on a lighter note, it's episode 12 of Shit Talk. खाली वही कर रहा हूँ bro मैं. Episode 12 of Shit Talk and all I'm doing is fucking like talking shit. I mean that's the agenda, but for how long? Sustainability model कहाँ है? Huh? Like you know, like this is what the craziest part is. Like if you ever go to those writer meetings, like not author meetings, like those TV writers or something, and like they go like, where does this live? Where does this live? Like that's the real question. Like you gotta ask yourself, where does this live? So the next time you all have any idea, no, कुछ भी idea हो, anything, like Saturday night को क्या करना है? ठीक है, चलो बाहर जाते हैं. Pulkit, where does this live? Where does this live? If you have a marketing proposal, tell your boss, like this is all that's happening and all, and your boss should go like, where does this live? What platform? Where does it exist? Where do you see yourself in 5? That's my fucking most, like that's the most irritating question, bro. मेरे को परसों का पता नहीं है. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Fuck knows what I'm gonna do day after tomorrow, bro. Like tomorrow का तो भी चलो ठीक है, Monday to Friday है तो मतलब I have a schedule. But apart from that, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. What kind of a dumb question is that? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? I mean, think about it, man. Like you're asking, putting someone on a spot. Like, bro, अच्छा लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई देखा है क्या? उसमें उसको बजाता नहीं है. वो जो same guy who was the judge in Jolly LLB, that guy, bro, that guy is a very versatile guy, huh, by the way. He plays roles that are थोड़ा मतलब off only. लाइक जॉली LLB में भी मतलब उसको कोई हल्के में ले जा रहे हैं. एक बमन ईरानी इधर चेयर फोड़ रहा है, ये सॉरी अरशद वर्सी चेयर फोड़ रहा है, बमन ईरानी उसको लाफा मार रहा है, एंड दैट जज इज जस्ट लाइक बैंगिंग इज लाइक हैमर ऑन द दिस थिंग ग्रेवल या दैट्स व्हाट ही इज डूइंग. और इधर लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई में भी बोलता है शनि का ये है वो है मांगलिक है. मांगलिक बहन जो हु द फक केयर्स ब्रो? इज शी हॉट और व्हाट? इट वाज दिया मिर्जा, राइट? शी इज हॉट. Who cares if she's Manglik? Dude, if I ever like, if anybody ever came and told me, bro, you can't marry this chick, she's Manglik, and she's as hot as Diya Mirza, I'll show everybody the middle finger. But yeah, bro, तू लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई मुझे देखा है वो जो आदमी बोलता है ना, like he says, अरे मतलब मौत हो जाएगी अभिषेक बच्चन की if they get married and all, and like Sanjay Dutt comes in and goes like तेरे को पता, and he's drunk obviously, Like he's Sanjay Dutt in his movies through the 90s and the 2000s was just himself. Like, have you seen the video for Osaki Saki? Not the new one that you assholes danced on in like fucking Bollywood night at Jalwa. No, the OG Osaki Saki where he takes a butterfly knife. This is serious. You go watch that video. Takes a butterfly knife and does Osaki Saki re aisa butterfly knife घुमा रहा है. His eyes are bloodshot red. Yo, I was worried when I watched that video. Like, I watched it a couple of years back, like in my adulthood, and I was like, dude, is this guy okay? Like, is he fine? Like, somebody talk to him, bro. Like, is this, where does this live? This is not a sustainable lifestyle. Where does this live, Sanjay? Where does this live? But yeah, coming back, Sanjay Dutt was playing himself, and obviously he slapped that guy, and he goes to the guy. He goes like, तेरे को पता है तेरे साथ अगले 2 मिनट में क्या होने वाला है? He was like, नहीं. So he slaps him on his face. तेरे को ये पता था? He was like, नहीं. तो fuck man, I forgot what we were talking about also. But if someone connects the two dots, just fucking text me later. I don't want to rewatch this and figure it out. It's 4 a.m. today, not even 3 a.m. 45 minutes to an hour, my dad is gonna wake up and go for his walk. Last Friday, I came back home at 5:36. Sorry, I got cut off. My brother, as I told you, is leaving for Goa right now. Yeah, so he entered the room and I got cut off. But coming back, yeah, my dad woke up at 6 o'clock and I came back at 6 o'clock. And we both gave each other a nod, and he's like, you came back? I was like, yeah, I did. And he's like, okay, go take a bath. That's it. That's all the interaction I had with him. Genuinely. I think he's like, just like, fuck it now. अभी जो है वो है, अभी क्या कर सकते हैं? जी रहे हैं, जिंदा है. That's important. But dude, I was thinking, man, like 12 episodes is not bad for shit talk, man. Like all in all, I might have cranked out a good, let's say 30 episodes, 30 episodes of me talking bullshit. That's good enough, man. You all have a lot of content to like sit and wonder, like, Karan, theek hai na yaar? Are you okay na, Karan? But that's the thing. Number 12, bro. Bro, you remember fucking Housey? Like in Housey, like they'd be like two single ladies or what? Two thin ladies. One number 11. Two thin ladies. Chor Machaye Shore 44. Genuinely, bro. Housey kya weird hai, bro. Like, what's wrong with us? Like, how? And you know what's the worst part? Those people that are saying that shit are not even interested in saying like Chor Machaye Shore 44. Like, मतलब एक तो हाउसी में भैंचो जीतना कब ब्रो, क्यों मैं ही क्यों नहीं जीतता? Like, I've always wondered, like, okay, there has to be a probability thing, right? Like, out of 50 times you play, you win once, right? Or 100, let's say, like, you play 100, you win once. साला इसमें होता ही नहीं है ब्रो. कितनी भी बार खेलो, मैं कजिन्स के साथ खेला हूँ, फैमिली, अदर फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, फकिंग खारजिम में खेला हूँ, खारजिम के टेनिस कोर्ट में बैठ के हाउसी खेला हूँ. आई एम नेवर वन एवर इन माई लाइफ. लाइक जल्दी फायर ऑन द फक बेंच. नहीं होना है जल्दी, धीरे धीरे खेलना, आराम से ठंडा लेके खेल. लोग को प्रोसेस करने दे क्या हो रहा है ब्रो. लोग का वो एग्जाम बोर्ड लेके बैठ जाता है ब्रो. In my board exam also I didn't take that. Like, for real, man. In my board exam I went with a pen. That's it. Remember, like, it's a very like it's a running joke, but when like all these exams people used to take like ask for graph paper and all, and like you're wondering, oh, graph paper kyun liya? And it's a running joke, but for real, dude, like I felt that shit. Like, I'm not joking. Like, even that joke where like everybody got the answer as 40 but you have minus pi. I know it's not possible or whatever, but yeah, like that's the vibe, bro. Like, for real, can't help it. What are those number called? Like those 63636363 aata hai. Recurring decimal, I think, as far as I remember. If I'm wrong, bro, tell me, man. Like, because right now I'm doing math. It's the same math that I did in another course, like statistics 200. ब्रो, एक तो नंबर ही बहुत भारी था अपने लिए. अपन मतलब 1 2 3 4 करना चाहिए पहले. स्टार्ट 1 मतलब पहले बता भाई. 2 + 2 is 4 - 1 that's 3. क्विक मैथ. If you got the joke, thank you. But yeah, Like, bro, it's too difficult, man. Like, I don't know, statistics and all nahi hota, bro. Like, it was way too difficult to the extent that there was a friend of mine. So this was in back in Penn State. Okay, I had a friend called Abhishek. Miss you, bro. Abhishek taught me Stat 200 because he wanted to be good at it enough. Like, you know that theory, if you can teach it to a 5 year old, if you can explain it to a 5 year old, means like it's good. That's what he tried to do. At one point, Abhishek looked at me and he's like, Karan, nahi hoega tere se. Like, he's like, Karan, I'm being very honest, drop the course. And I was like, fuck my life, bro. If I drop the course and all, like, अपन and अपना ego बहुत भारी है, bro. अपन drop भी नहीं करते course. पूरा कोर्स ही लाइक यू आई डोंट ड्रॉप सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक आई लेफ्ट द एंटायर कोर्स ओनली समझ रहा है तो समझ रहा है वीडियो ब्रो जो भी करना है नेक्स्ट लेवल करना है मेरे को आके कोई बोला करन सब्जेक्ट ड्रॉप कर तेरा ग्रेड बेटर हो जाएगा उस पर लेट ड्रॉप आएगा खाली तेरे रिपोर्ट कार्ड पे इंस्टेड ऑफ लाइक you getting a fail or whatever C grade or something you will get late drop which is fine you can explain to people who are hiring you that oh man this is not relative to my course and my life choices and blah 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 but I chose to do like देख bro अपन हैवी लोड वाला आदमी है ठीक है अपन भारी आदमी डेंजर आदमी ठीक है जो करेंगे नेक्स्ट लेवल करेंगे कोर्स ही छोड़ दिया फ्लाइट पकड़ के घर आ गए समझ रहा है बट नो मैन लाइक on a very honest note it's like I think we should all like consider the fact that it's very much possible that you are not doing well somewhere and you should think of a different option in life. I think a lot of people like push themselves to do something that they're not really inclined to doing. Like I know people who do engineering and they don't even like machines, bro. Like I might like machines more than they know machines because they've studied it, but they don't like machines. You get it? It's like how many drivers that we hire like staff as to work love driving. Like obviously it's a whole different concept economically, blah blah blah. I understand that, right? But let's say you become a race, Lewis Hamilton most definitely loves driving. Like he can't go like अरे नहीं माँ बाप ने बोला और भाई कुछ करना पड़ेगा पैसा कम है घर में तो करना पड़ेगा. I mean obviously most definitely that's not how it's going to work, right? Like similarly I think you should like no matter what economic background you're from, I think as long as you really do the best in your particular field, you're going to excel. Like engineering, maybe you crank. How many do we crank out, man? Like 1 lakh a year, 10 lakh a year, or I think those many people give exams or something like that. I don't know, but yeah, we crank out a lakh a year, suppose. Like more than the population of Switzerland, we crank out every year. Engineers, imagine. Like how many of them truly love it? And I know it's a very like running concept that yeah you're forced into it, and there's a lot of like negative shit that goes around it. Like a lot of people like commit suicide. A lot of people are fucking stressed out at home, and it's horrible, man. It's fucking horrible out there. But I think like today's day and age, you really can fucking push yourself to kill it, bro. Like I think I wish someday I reach that level in life where I can like go out into the world and like help people and explain to them that okay financially this is what you should do till the time you reach a level where you can do as you please, right? Like let's say you gotta do what you gotta do kind of concept to make money, and like if you have to go down the route of let's say an engineer, how about we find an alternative route where you get the required money for your life and obviously you have to double the effort and parallelly do what you love, right? Because there are unlimited people like offering free courses, stuff like that. Like I don't know, like it's possible, man. And if it's not, like someone tell me, bro. Like this is the mindset I have, right? And I think it's possible. If I'm like overly naive and I'm dumb as fuck, like tell me, man. Like tell me what other what's the how do I say it? What's the flip side, the devil's advocate concept to it? I don't know, man. Like, tell me if you guys know. Like, I wish I was smart enough to know that. But on that note, guys, it's fucking 4:30. I'm too tired. I'm so sorry. It's 4:30 a.m. in the morning, and I'm gonna fucking pass out. I love you guys. Go follow me on Instagram. Sorry, fuck, I coughed. My bad. Obviously, you heard me cough. Like, share, and subscribe. I love you. See you soon. Bye bye.